The lymphatic system or lymphoid system is an organ system in vertebrate that is the part of the immune system and complementary to circulatory system. It consists of large network of lymphatic vessels, lymph node, lymphoid organ, lymphatic tissue, and lymph. Lymph is a clear fluid carried by the lymphatic vessel back to the heart for recirculation. Unlike the circulatory system, that is the closed system, the lymphatic system is open. The human circulatory system crosses an area of 20 liter of blood per day through capillary filtration, which removes plasma from blood. Roughly 17 liter of the filtered blood is reabsorbed directly into the blood vessel, while the remaining 3 liter are left in the interstitial tube. One of the main functions of lymphatic system is to provide an excessively return route to the blood for the surplus 3 liter. The other main function is that of immune defense. Lymph is very similar to blood plasma in that it contains waste product and cellular debris, together with bacteria and protein. The cell of lymph are mostly lymphocyte-associated lymphoid organelles composed of lymphoid tissue and are the site either of lymphocyte production or lymphocyte activation. These include the lymph node, the spleen, the thymus, and tonsil. Thank you for watching this video. For more information video, visit Nursing Lecture within class.